Greetings and salutations, and welcome to You Ought to Know, the podcast where we dive into all things automotive with the goal of being educational, enlightening, engaging, and if none of that, at least entertaining. I'm Mike Erban, your host and the owner of Erban Automotive in Oakville, Ontario. Whether you're a fellow shop owner, client, or someone just simply curious about the world of cars, thanks for joining us on the journey today. Today I have the esteemed pleasure of one of my neighbors coming, Mr. Charbel Mechil. Charbel owns AOK Collision Repair and Simplicity Oakville East. You've been managing the business since 2012?
Yeah. That's
You
right, 2012.
graduated from a bachelor degree in automotive business from Georgian College.
That's right.
That's pretty impressive.
Thanks.
You currently have 5 employees, and your old man owns AOK Auto Service in Oakville.
Yeah.
Mike.
Mike, yeah.
So a little background history with Mike and I. Mike actually helped support me when I first opened up Erban Automotive. I was the black sheep of the area for the most part. I reached out to several shops to help me because I didn't have an alignment rack. So I went to several different shops that did and found out that I was paying the full retail price from them on all of my alignments that I was selling to my customers and making $0
Oh, wow.
and thought that was normal. And your dad quickly put me on the right foot and helped guide me and helped me set up my business. So I think very highly of your pops, and people think that in the automotive industry, it's all about competition and you're out to get each other, but it really isn't. It really is a changing perspective, and people need to understand that this kind of thing, interaction, the whole goal of this podcast is to simply make people aware of the difference in our industries.
Mm-hmm.
So, welcome.
Thank you.
I think the first question that I want to ask, and I think that this goes probably to most of the people out there, okay? Charbel, what do you auto body guys do with all the money that you make from the repairs?
Well, Mike, I got a couple yachts in Miami, condo in Spain. No,